Hey guys, Mr. B XRP here, and welcome back. Today is November 24th of 2020. We are looking at Fiat Leak. XRP is at 65 cents right now. It's starting to move. There you go. Why is it not moving? I don't know. Okay. Wow, what a night. What an exciting night. Man, a lot of people were up all night last night. I saw people on Twitter. I got messages from friends. I mean, it's just crazy, crazy night. Whether you know it or not, XRP spiked on Coinbase at 92 cents last night. And I promised you guys that I was not going to start waking up in the middle of the night to check prices a couple of days ago. But the truth is, I had my Apple Watch on, which has got notifications. And I got a notification about that 92 cent spike. And it literally felt like it shocked my hand in the middle of the night because I'm not used to getting notifications on my watch when I'm sleeping. It was mind-blowing. I had to get up. I had to get my glasses on, get my phone, figure out what's going on with this 92 cent stuff. Most other places it looked like it went to 70 cents, I think. But it was definitely an exciting evening. And we have retraced a little bit right now. We're down to 65 cents, but we're way ahead of where we were yesterday. So we are still looking fantastic. If there's some noise in the background, I have some people moving into the office next to mine, so we're going to have to bear with it. And this morning I woke up and I had text from my mom, my dad, my nephew, my sister, everybody asking me, what's going on with XRP? And my only response to them was this: it's time. That's it. I have been telling them for 3 years what XRP is, what it's going to do, what's going to happen. Buy some, buy more, buy as much as you can, blah, 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 blah. Whether they've done it or not is up to them. But all I had to say was it's time. And they certainly didn't buy enough, I can tell you that. Okay, let's jump right into the market. CoinPerpica showing, wow, 570, almost 579 billion. Wow, we're approaching 600 billion. And part of that is Bitcoin's having a great day today. So Bitcoin woke up today. It's at 19,260, up 11.47% on the 7-day. Ethereum's at 601, up 28% on the 7-day. XRP is just under 65 cents, up 117% on the 7-day. And Tether is no longer holding at $1. It's at 0.999636. So but it is in fourth place next to XRP, which is great, and everything's looking good here. So Bitcoin is and XRP is going up as we're talking, so that's great. This happened yesterday with my video. Bitcoin is looking to push over 20,000 today. A lot of people think it's going to happen. It would be a great day for it to happen today. I have a killer cup of coffee here, guys. A Cafe Bustelo. It's some good stuff. All right, so let's jump right into what I've got here. So from XRP Crypto Wolf, at XRP Crypto Wolf, this is exactly like how it happened in 2017. Every single day, XRP would just keep going up and only have small pullbacks. Remember that it has been in a downtrend for years, so XRP is rewarding us all for our patience. So I agree with him. Man, it's been a long 3 years. I mean, absolutely, it's been tough for a lot of us that have been here. Okay, I posted this on Twitter this morning. Work efficiency of XRP holders expected to decrease today by 37% due to sleep deprivation and constant distractions. People are just, beside themselves. I mean, with being obsessed about the market, and I'm no different. I got in my office, I have charts I'm watching on one computer, and I've got Fiat Leak on another, and I've got, making this video on this one. I mean, it's just, I'm watching everything. I want to see everything that's happening. All right, so let's look at Coinbase. Coinbase, the price right now is 66 cents. So we're up a penny since we started the video. Let's make it a long video. This way it'll be up big time. And look at that spike. There's the spike at 92 cents. It's almost like XRP giving the middle finger to the rest of the crypto world. Look at that. That's what I see. I see the middle finger to the rest of the crypto world. I don't know about you guys, but that's what I'm seeing. Hey, one of the things I noticed on my app, on my Coinbase app, is it asks me if I want to take a loan against my Bitcoin, but it doesn't ask me if I want to take a loan against my XRP. And I wonder how far we are from them offering that. Which brings me to another topic that I wasn't going to discuss today, but I want to bring up is, I have friends that have significant amounts of XRP. I mean, crazy amounts of XRP. And, the question is, when these people want to get loans in the future for homes or for cars or for things, mortgage companies and car loan companies, they're going to have to start valuing or taking a look at people's crypto assets as assets. Because right now, it's kind of hard to prove crypto assets. I mean, it's kind of a weird deal. What are you going to do? Take your phone and hand it to your mortgage broker and go, here you go. Here's what I've got in my Coinbase account. I mean, they're not taking that. So there is a tremendous opportunity for mortgage companies to step up and, Stellar's on fire. I just got a notification. Stellar's up 10.84% in 50 minutes. Stellar's having a moment. There is an opportunity for mortgage companies and financing companies to step up and work with crypto people. But here's what I think is going to happen. I think companies like Coinbase and all these other big exchanges are just going to become banks themselves, and we won't have to do anything. In fact, you won't even have to qualify for a mortgage or for a loan anymore. You'll just post your assets as collateral right in your crypto wallet and just say, hey, listen, I need to buy a car at $60,000. Why don't you guys give me a loan for it against my crypto? You're going to hit a couple of buttons and it's a done deal. I think that's the future, and I think that is exciting. I mean, really, really, really exciting. Now, I also believe that you should pick, I personally want to own all my stuff cash, but some people are going to say, hey, listen, if I could borrow money from Coinbase and it's going to cost me 6% or 8% a year, whatever that number is, and I know I'm going to make X% a year on my crypto, I'm going to do that. So everybody's going to have to decide what they want to do, and I'll do some of that too, but just something I want to bring up. I thought that was interesting stuff. Okay, this was from Michael at VAL5 Link. Really, when Coinbase's official status page currently says that everything is operationally normal. Other sources show the exchange is indeed experiencing problems. Okay, this was after the spike last night. It crashed again. Coinbase crashed again. I had a friend call me this morning, or I just talked to him actually. I got him into XRP about a year ago, and I called him this morning to ask him if he was happy that I got him invested in something that has more than doubled in value in a year, and he said, yes. So shout out to you, Mike. I'm glad you're part of the group. I'm glad you're in, and Mike's really happy. But we were talking about Coinbase, and people are concerned about these crashes. And one of the questions I have is, if you have pre-sales already positioned in Coinbase Pro and Coinbase crashes, are your Coinbase Pro sales still going to go off? I mean, that's a big question, So that's something we got to get an answer to. So I'm going to work on that. Okay. Another post I did last night. So the PayPal CEO has been all over financial news. I mean, this guy's everywhere, just preaching crypto and PayPal and crypto and PayPal. So it was time to give him a tweet last night. And I told him 346 million people have or will soon have access to buy Bitcoin on PayPal, but instead they're choosing to find their way to a crypto exchange and buy XRP. So at Dan Schulman, when XRP, hashtag not a security. And the reason why I did hashtag not a security is because somewhere along the line, Coinbase said that they're only going to list assets that they're comfortable are not securities, which was kind of the middle finger to XRP saying, you guys are security. Now, here's the thing. I almost fear that the guy is a Bitcoin maximalist because he owns Bitcoin. He seems very pro-Bitcoin, and I hope he's not another one of these Bitcoin maximalists that's going to ice us out for the next 2 years until he finally has to add it because the board over at PayPal is telling him, hey, you need to add XRP or we're going to escort your ass out of the building. We've seen this happen before. So, hopefully he's not that kind of guy. Hopefully that's not what's going on, but we're going to have to wait and see. Okay, moving on to the next thing. Another one from Michael at VAL5 Link. 5 reasons XRP could hit $1 this year. Well, you know what? This is a story, and let's see if it opens up. Oh, slow computer. I think $1 this year is a joke. But they go on to say XRP at $1, XRP bullish trends begin, XRP gains 7% up over USD. Below are some appealing things. They talk about Bank of America. They talk about the growth volume of ODL. They talk about the increased adoption of RippleNet. I got news for you. Personally, for me, not financial advice, I think $1 is a joke. I think we're pushing $1 by the end of the week, but I don't know if that's true, but I know that we've got momentum behind us right now. Credible Crypto at Credible Crypto on Twitter. Interesting guy. If you missed my video the other day, this guy has a killer video. You need to go to his YouTube channel and watch his last video. He's a TA chart guy, but he not just doesn't just explain the TA of things. He explains the psychology of investors. And I found it incredibly interesting. So I suggest you listen to this guy's video, and I started following him, and I'm going to read this tweet. Consider that in prior bull runs, most alts have broken their prior all-time high within 2 months after BTC breaks its prior all-time high. Bitcoin will break its all-time high soon. So ask yourself, would you take profits on XRP now, knowing that it will probably be over $3.50 in a few months? Question mark. Hodl. Okay, so he posted that today. I'm not telling you that's the right move. I know I have my plan, and it's kind of very similar to what he's talking about. But everyone has to have their own plan, and I just wanted to bring that information up to you. Okay, this was from Steve, the Bull Diep at Diep San, S-A-N-H. If central banks issue CBDC on XRP ledger, every transaction in CBDC will destroy a small fraction of XRP, making XRP scarcer and scarcer. And that's why, guys, we're not afraid of CBDCs. We want every country, and there's like 180 countries out there, make all your own digital currencies, because when you want to send money from the Philippines to Japan, Japan doesn't want the Philippine fiat. They want Japanese fiat, and they're going to use XRP to be that magic bridge currency in between, so that everybody can get whatever they want. I mean, essentially, you're going to be able to send anything and have it become anything the other person wants on the other side. You may send gold to people, and they're going to end up getting yen, and it's going to magically happen through XRP. It is amazing. So when people ask how it works, the easiest answer is just to tell them it's magic. That's the best way to do it. It's magic. Okay, so moving on. You know what I want to talk about here? I wanted to talk about bull run versus utility. All right, so this is important, guys. I have been talking to my friends who have significant amounts of XRP, and I have some friends that are going to hold. I mean, these guys are holding for $50, $100 before they sell their first XRP. I mean, and I'm like, how? I mean, I don't know how you can do it. I just don't know how you can do it, because we're in a bull run. We're in a bull market, right? So until most people are invested in XRP because we feel someday there's going to be significant utility that's going to slowly drive up the price, and then the price is going to sustain at some point. Which, when we see that, I'm hanging on to my XRP like it's a newborn baby. Okay, I'm not letting it go. I will hopefully never sell it. But this is not utility. This is a bull run, and this is different. And if you've never listened to one of my videos before, I was in the last bull run, and I had a bunch of money, and I lost it all because I never took profits. So I'm taking profits as long as it's a bull run. If it changes to be a utility event, I will change my plan. But right now, I don't see this as a utility event. I see it as a bull run. So I will be taking profits. I have a few cash out points that are under $10 that make me completely debt free and make my life much easier. And I will be taking those off ramps and enjoying them. But that's me. That's my plan. But I would just suggest to anyone out there, please, please, please give some consideration to the difference between a bull run and utility. Now, here's the thing, right? It's kind of a difficult conversation to have with yourself, because utility in the cryptocurrency world has never happened before. This has never happened before, what we're expecting XRP to do someday. So you've got to kind of connect the dots and make a plan for yourself and figure out what you're going to do when it happens. But for the most part right now, I think we're in a bull run. This is a bull market, and I'm going to play it that way. I I'm a card player and I play my hand. And right now I'm playing the hand of bull market, bull run. That's the deal for me. So wanted to share that with you guys because I really think a lot of people haven't thought about the difference between. Okay, Fiat Leak, who has become a real friend of the XRP community. Fiatleak.com is serving 1 million requests per hour ranked by XRP, USD, BTC, XLM, ADA. For the time being, our odds of staying online are inversely correlated with the vigor of the XRP community. So we are just tearing that site up. And I think they had a little bit of a crash the other day, so which I thought was funny. And I actually did a post underneath it, but I don't see it in there right now. Also, in talking to a friend this morning, he was telling me that one of his cash out plans is at a specific dollar amount in his iTrustCapital account. He's just going to cash out his XRP in his iTrustCapital account and let the money sit there until he's going to either take it out at retirement or reinvest it in something else. So that's kind of a strategy, guys. And if you haven't looked into iTrustCapital, it's really, really cool. You can self-trade cryptocurrency, physical gold in your IRA and your 401k. I have an IRA with them. I have a Roth IRA with them. If I wanted to, I could sell my XRP right now, put it into Bitcoin. I wouldn't, but I could. I could put it into gold, whatever. It's tax-free. This is really neat stuff. So if you want to try and beat the tax man long term, you should look at doing one of these. If you just want to start it because you don't have a lot of money, you could start them with $1,000. It's not that expensive. If you want a free month, I have a discount code in the description of this video. They are good people, and there's a lot of neat things you can do with your iTrust IRA. So check them out. They are doing a good job over there. Okay, yesterday I posted this picture of this cat playing with these crayfish. And I had a handful of people in my comment section tell me they're not crayfish, they're crawfish, okay? And I got to thinking, my whole life I've called them crayfish, but I also have heard people call them crawfish. What's going on with that? So I just wanted you guys to know that I did a search, and it turns out they are both. A crayfish is a crawfish, and a crawfish is a crayfish, and it just matters where you live, what you call it. So kudos to them for calling me out, but turns out we're both right. So good stuff. I like it when we're both right. Okay, when I saw this picture, it made me think of this is what XRP has been doing for the last week. It's strutting its stuff. Here you go. When I see that peacock do that, I see XRP. XRP is just strutting its stuff, doing its thing, showing what it was born to do, and I like it. Thank you for listening, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an accountant. I'm not a lobster fisherman. And I'm not a crypto expert. These are my opinions only. Don't make any financial decisions based on anything you say. Now listen, all the cool kids, just so you know, have already subscribed to my channel, but they have asked me to invite you to be one of the cool kids. So if you want to be one of the cool kids, it's time to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and do it right now. I'm going to close my eyes. I'm not going to pay attention to who you are. I'm not even going to look and see that you just finally subscribed to my channel. Just go ahead and do it. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button if you think the video was even just kind of okay. And I appreciate it. And share my videos with anybody you think who might like them. Keep your eyes on this market. I am looking for $1. I know we're at 65 cents right now, but I want $1. Where are we at? We're at 67 cents. When we started this video, we were at 64 cents, I think. Watching my videos raises the price of XRP. I have proven it 2 days in a row. Tell the world. See y'all. Have a good day. Bye-bye.